chase excellence, never chase money. Why? Because money has an incredible way of finding excellence. Did you chase excellence?
You see, one thing that sets the top 1% of the world apart from the rest is curiosity. There's something called cultivated curiosity. It is the disciplined habit of constantly asking deeper questions, seeking better answers, and turning learning into a lifestyle. It's the habit of training your mind to explore until you uncover excellence. Excellence in itself, it's not a destination. It's a standard. It's a journey you live. The 1% have mastered this. When others see problems, they ask, what opportunity is hiding here? And when others see failure, they ask, what lesson can be extracted from this? And when others stop, they ask, what if there is more? Every child is born curious, always asking why. But as we grow older, society teaches us to stop asking questions, to stop exploring. Hence, the 99% conforms. The reason you still chase money is because your curiosity has fainted. Fortunately, it's not dead yet. Dr. Miles Monroe, in his famous quote, said, "The wealthiest place is the graveyard. There you will find businesses that were never started, books that were never written, inventions that never came to life, and dreams that were never realized." Excellent and wealthy people put their cultivated curiosity into good use until it becomes a lifestyle and legacy.